In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to make over $3,000 on this YouTube channel and show you what it's like building a channel from scratch and what you can expect on YouTube. If you're new here, my name's Mike Moore, and this channel is all about making money online through different side hustles like YouTube, affiliate sales, and investing. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to see our new videos, and smash that like button. It really helps us out with the algorithm. So here I'm going to click on About, and we can just get an overall view of where we're at. We joined April 7th, 2013. We have over 2,687,000 views on this channel. And if we click here, I'll show you just a generalization of what our videos look like. They're all pretty short. Usually between a minute and 2 minutes. I wanted to make this channel because I'm a huge car guy, and for me, I was gonna go to the track regardless. So I figured, why not bring a camera and start filming this, and maybe I could make a little bit of extra money and have fun in the process. So that's kind of how the idea became about. You can see we have hundreds and hundreds of videos, but they were very simple to make and very simple to edit. In any given night, I could get anywhere from 70 to 150 drag races, so it wasn't hard to get a lot of content for this channel. If I click here on our YouTube studio, this shows you the analytics of the channel. So you can see here, over here in the last 28 days, we've gotten 38 new subscribers. We've gotten about 28,000 views, which is equal to about $43.55 in earnings. So I'm going to click on analytics and give you a little bit of an overview of how much we've made over the lifetime of this channel. I want to be really transparent. I haven't been as consistent and as good about uploading to this channel as I should have been. You can see here in our first month we had some crazy spike. One of our videos got shared on a website, on a pretty popular website, and we got over 20,000 views in our first month. So that really helped give us a little boost to this channel in the beginning. And if we click on revenue, that 20,000 views was about $35 in one day. So that was a really cool day. I thought my channel was about to explode, and then as you can see, the next day we're back down to 58 cents. So it didn't take, the thing is, one viral video isn't going to change the scope of your channel forever. It's pretty cool to have something get a huge boost in spikes and views and subscribers, but it's really the consistency, improvements, and quality you make to the channel that's going to really add to your subscriber base and your views in the long run, which is going to equal more ad revenue in the future. So you can see here we were slowly but surely increasing our daily revenue. We had a big spike here with another video that got boosted on the algorithm, and then you can see we jumped up to about $1 to $2 a day. I took a little break, wasn't posting as much, and then here you can see I started uploading again. All these little boxes here when we've uploaded videos had another little spike, and then over the last year I haven't uploaded at all, which is a big mistake on my part. This channel could probably be twice as big if I was more consistent overall, but you live and you learn, and I took a year off and was still able to bring in some decent views, some decent money, but it wasn't quite what it could have been. So if you click here, we were able to make $3,058.33 over the lifetime of this channel. Well, yes, $3,058 is a good bit of money. It isn't, anything crazy, and I know that. I started this channel off just for fun, and being able to make $3,000 doing something I enjoyed it's pretty cool. So now that I'm back at it, I'm going to keep you guys updated on how this channel is doing, and if I'm able to get it back to levels that we were in the past, and hopefully beyond those levels in the future. I'm going to be trying to upload to this channel once a day and improve the quality as much as I can. So what's interesting with YouTube is even when you monetize your videos, not every single view is going to be monetized. So you can see here the estimated monetized playbacks is about 964,000. I have over 2.6 million views, so not even half of them have been monetized. But the ones that are, I'm earning about $5.70 per thousand. So CPM is per thousand views. So every 1,000 views that has an ad on it, I'm getting about $5.70. Our top earning video of all time is this Tesla Model S races the C7 Corvette Stingray. One of the cool metrics that I like to look at for my channel is the traffic source. And here in the analytics, you can break it down by YouTube search, suggested videos, browse features. And what's really cool is you can see we've been able to rank a bunch of our videos in the YouTube search, so a bunch of our old videos are still getting us views and helping to increase the ad money we're getting and the traffic to our channel, which helps you get more subscribers, more views, and all that good stuff. So that's one really cool thing. If you click here on suggested video, you can see YouTube suggests your videos a lot more when you're getting traffic from other sources and stuff like that. So basically, suggested means that YouTube is promoting you on the side column, which is a good thing. This channel has never done that well with suggested videos, but I'm hoping to improve it here into the future. So yeah, over the last month, since I've started trying to bring it back, you can see here each one of these is a new video. So we've been uploading daily. And we're slowly coming up a little bit here. We've been trending downwards for the last year. And over the last 48 hours, I'm at about 2,300 views, with one of our new videos doing really well. Broke almost 100 views in the first 24 hours. So overall, things have been looking really good. I'm excited to get back into the YouTube game. I'm hoping my goal is to get up to $500 a month passive income online through YouTube, dividends, and affiliate income before December 2019, which is my birthday. So if you guys would like to follow me in my pursuit of financial freedom, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit the like button, and comment. Let us know what you want to see some more. I'm going to just jump over to my other channel real quick and pull up the analytics. I want to say thank you. We just put out our video for 100 subscribers and we're at 112 already. This channel is doing really well. I'm really happy.